This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
In this video, we are going to be unboxing our Candy Melts pot set. So this is something we use when we're making cake pops, and it helps keep the product warm so that you don't have to keep reheating or have it in a water bath. So as soon as you open it up, you can pull out baskets and the little warming pot, and you'll notice there is also an instruction booklet. Right? So we will get this off to the side. So you can see this is the little warming unit. Right? It has two settings. So it's an off right now, and when you turn it on to, it has like a low and a high function, and when it's on, the little indicator light will come on, right? So you'll see that on orange, and it has a good length power cord, so it's easy to use, and you don't necessarily have to be that close to your plug, which is nice depending on your setup. And you can see inside it's metal, that'll warm up. And you have two silicone pots, right? So they have a nice heat-safe handle on them, double pour spout, and it's a nice food-grade silicone for the little pots or baskets. So you can put your melts directly in there and then slide that in, and it'll heat it up, and it gives it in general nice gentle heat. The second one you'll see is a divided one, so this is if you wanted to melt two colors to work on something at the same time. And I like that it has two baskets. In addition, you can take them out, and if the product is still in there and it sets up, it's really easy to just pop it right out. So you don't have to worry about it hardening in something when it's in this, because it's still easy to pop out, and then you have a nice disc that you can store and remelt again. So I find this useful, especially when I'm doing a large number of pops and I need to keep that product warm for a long period of time. So overall, if you're going to do a lot of cake pops, this is a really great buy.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.